Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and pause store on Shopify. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and head into your Shopify. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. So I'm just going to go ahead and do so. Finally, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings. So let me just go ahead and do that for you. And the settings tab is going to be on the bottom left. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on plan and then click on cancel plan or cancel trial. When option appear, choose pause and build, review the plan details and switch to pause and build and provide your password to confirm the process. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.